everyone, I'm teacher Ashley. Today we'll be touching on CHIJ and Nicholas P3 end year paper. Okay, shall we begin now? Okay, first question. They want digit 1. So digit 1 is here. So this is thousand, hundred, tens and 1. So answer is tens place. Next, how many hundreds are there in 6,000? 100 is 20. I got 20 here. I can cancel 20. Means answer is 60. Okay, complete the pattern. So you ask yourself 1306. How to reach to 1286? So you minus 20. So we can take 1286 minus 20. Answer is number 4. Okay, let's move on. Mrs. Lim gave her children $9 each. You want to find all together. So 3 children, 1 is $9, your times is 27. Next, Mrs. Gan told her pupils to show 4 meter and 3 cm in another way. So 1 meter is 100 cm. So 4 meter is 400 cm. So it's 400 plus 3 equals to 403. So Jenny is the correct one. Next. Every day, Harry walked from school to the playground before going home. So let's find his school to the playground before going home. Okay, so school to the playground is 680. Go home is 320. So let's find the distance. Plus 320 equals to 1000 meter. Answer number 2. Which one shows 1/4 of the figure shaded? So we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/8. 2/8, but I need to divide by 2. 4/8. Divide by 2. 5/8. Answer number 2. Okay, he's asking how many of the marked angles are acute? Acute means smaller than 90 degrees. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, which one has the largest area? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A has the most, so number 1. Next, he wants to find out which one, the sum of the greatest and smallest even number. Greatest first. This is greatest, but it's an odd number, so this is out. Second greatest, this one, yes, even number. So smallest, let's pick this, smallest, but it's odd number, out. Second, oh, also an odd number, out. So left with this. So it's 602 plus 582. Answer number 2. Okay, Jiaxing was asked to choose a number. When he divide the number by 4, divided by 4, they will have an answer with a remainder 2. Okay, so let's give a try. Randomly, 93 divided by 4. I have remainder 1. So this is out. Let me pick another one, 91. I have remainder 3. It's out too. Let me try 90. Yes, remainder 2. Answer number 4. Next, Mr. Lee sold 2,600 bookmarks. I saw more, so let's draw a model. He sold 850 more than Ng, means Lee is more. I want to find Ng, so Ng is shorter, so must minus. $1,750. They want to find all together, so I need to plus them. Answer 4350, which is number 3. Okay, let's move on to question 13. Christine bought the 2 items below from the bookshop. Notebook is $1.90 and the eraser is 80 cents. So she gave the cashier $2. So $2 will be 2 times 2. Give me a minute. Okay, 2 times 2 will be $4. So I find the notebook total will be 190 plus 80 cents will be 270. So how much change did she receive? We will take $4 minus 270. She will get back $1.30, which is number 3. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Rajesh has $84.20 at first, so he spent $38.50 on food. Then his mother gave him another $20, so how much did he have in the end? So let's find how much he have after paying for the food. So it's 84.20 minus 38.50. 70, 5, 45.70. So the mother give him another $20, so we need to plus 20. He will get $65.70. Answer number 2. Let's move on. Which fraction will add up to become a whole number? So we can change all to the same denominator, which is 12. So it will be 10 over 12. 4 over 12. So from here, in order to get one whole, it's actually equals to 12 over 12. So from here, I can pick 8 and 4 to give me 12 over 12. So answer is 1/3 and 8/12, number 3. Okay, let's move on to booklet B now. The first one is finding in numeral, so 6,000. Will be 6000 and 51. So when we plus them, it's actually 6,051. Okay, next. Arrange the number from the greatest. So let's put them accordingly vertically. And then we will compare which one is bigger and smaller. So all is the same. So the next one is 8, and 8 is the biggest. So let's compare with the other number. Okay, so 7 and 3. So 7 is the first one, this one is the second one. So let's move on. 3 and 7. So meaning this is third and this is fourth. Okay, so let's move on. 1, 8, 7, 3. 1, 8, 3, 7. 1, 7, 3, 8. And 1, 3, 8, 7. Okay, next question. A pot of water was completely filled with water at first. All the water in the pot was poured into 3 smaller beakers without spilling. So what is the capacity of the pot? Okay, so this one is 1 liter, which is equals to 1000 milliliter. This one is 350 milliliter. And this one is actually here, so it's 40 milliliter. So we just need to plus them all together. Okay, we have already 1 liter, and then it's 350 plus 40 equals to 390. Okay, let's move on. Circle 1 note and 4 coins to make $3.25. So 1 note is certainly this one, and 4 coins, I miss out $1, and then I got 1 coin, I'm short of 3, so 1 10-cent, another 10-cent, another 5-cent. Okay, next one. Express 610 in the simplest form. So you must divide by 2 to make it simplest. Okay, study here. Which one is parallel to CD? Parallel to CD means the line will never meet one another. So another line. Let's try AE. So if you can see, the line will never meet. So my answer will be AE. Okay, the next question. Find the area of a square. Area is actually length times breadth. And area of a square, all sides are equal. So all will be 7. So area will be 7 times 7 equals to 49. Okay, next question. Nathan eats 1 apple every 2 days. So how many apples does he eat at the end of 2 weeks? So 1 week is actually 7 days. 2 weeks is 7 times 2 equals to 14 days. And then 2 days you have 1 apple. So means in terms of grouping, we can find 14 days divided by 2 is equals to 7 groups. So every 2 days means 1 group is 1 apple. So 7 times 1 equals to 7. Okay, let's move on. Next one. 6 times 9 equals to 2 times 9 plus something. So we can find here first. 6 times 9 is 54. And then we can find 2 times 9 is 18. So actually it's 54 is equals to 18 plus something. We can take these two numbers to minus in order to find the answer. This is 6, 36. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the figure here shows the mass of one bunch of bananas. So they want 3 bananas, 3 bunches. So we can find by looking at the scale. This is 1 kg. So this is 500 gram. So from 0 to 500 is 500 gram. And let's see the spacing, 1, 2, 3, 4. So means 4 unit is 500 gram. 1 unit will be 500 divided by 4, which will give you 125. So 125 is 1 unit, and it's pointing to here, means is 1, 2. So 2 unit is equals to 125 times 2, which will give you 250. So 1 bunch is 250 gram. 3 bunches will be 250 times 3 will give you 750. Next, a tank was filled with 14 liters of water at first. Then Kai Xun poured 8 pails of water into the tank. So 8 pails of water. Each pail means 1 pail is 2 liters of water. So 1 pail is 2 liters. I have 8 pails. So will be 8 times 2 equals to 16 liters. So at first is 14 liters. Now is 14 plus 16 equals to 30 liters. Okay, let's move on. The figure here shows some squares. What fraction of the figure is unshaded? If you realize they have squares and triangles, so to make it easy for me, I will just cut everything to be the same. So total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2 equals to 16. So unshaded will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 9 over 16. It's already in simplest form. So let's move on. The figure here shows 6 square pieces placed side by side. I want to find perimeter. So if you can see, there are 3 squares here. The 18 is pointing to 3 lines, so we are supposed to find 1 line. So 1 line is 6. And they are squares, so all sides are equal. So it means this is 6. So we can find perimeter now, which is the outline. So if you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 6 equals to 60. Okay, next question. There is a sale in beauty shop. Auntie wants to get 4 bottles of shampoo from the shop. So if you can see, the advertisement is actually buy 2 get 1 free, and 1 is actually $7 each. So in order to buy 4 bottles, I will get this special offer, which is buy 2 get 1 free. So if I buy 2 bottles, it will be 2 times 7 equals to $14, and I will get 1 free. So means I'm short of 1 bottle, and 1 bottle is $7, so 14 plus 7 is actually equals to $21. Okay, next. There were 3,498 more visitors from A than exhibition hall A than B. So meaning my A is bigger, longer than my B. And this is 3,498. So 480 visitors in A left. So A 480 left, and B there's 634 people enter. So this part is enter. Which is 634. So how many more visitors A than B have? So first thing we must find this part. We will take 3,498 minus 480. It will give us 3,018. And 3,018 I can minus my 634. Which could give me 2,384. Okay, now it's problem sum. 495 pupils went to the concert. 162 of them were boys and then the rest were girls. So you're supposed to find how many more girls than boys. So just draw a long one and then you indicate total is 495. And this is boys. This is girls. And boys is 162. I'm supposed to find the girls. I will take 495 minus 162. It's actually my girls. Since the girls is more than the boys, I can find how much more there. Answer 71. I forgot 171. So let's move on. Vera has twice as many straws as Lena, and Lena has twice as many straws as Vera. So it's saying that Ming Hao has 192 more straws than Lena. They want to find the total altogether. So let's draw Vera first. Vera is twice of Lena. Okay. So this is Vera, this is Lena. And then Ming Hao has twice as many as Vera. So if you can see, Vera is 2 units. So Ming Hao will have 2 times 2 equals to 4. So this is Ming Hao. And then Ming Hao has 192 more than Lena. So if you can see, it's from here to here is the more than. So all these are actually 1 unit. So 3 units is actually equals to 192. 1 unit is 192 divided by 3, which will give you 64. So they want to find all together, which is 4, 5, 6, 7 unit equals to 64 times 7 equals to 448. Okay. Question 33. Shimin has some cookies. So this is shi means cookie. She has some, and then she ate 14 of them. So she ate 14. And then she and her 8 friends share the rest. So this is the rest. So she and her 8 friends means including her is 9 of them. I use another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 units. And each of them is 12. Okay. So I can actually find what the number of cookies she and her friends receive, which is 9 units, is 12 times 9, which will give you 108. And then she herself ate 14, so at first 108 plus 14 equals to 122. Okay, next question. Okay, Raihan, Sherry and Tim had 1,920 altogether. Tim had 120 less than Raihan, and Raihan and Sherry had the same amount of money. So I can draw my model, which is Tim is 120 lesser, so means Tim is shorter. Okay, so this is Tim, this is Raihan, and then 120. And my Sherry is the same as Raihan. So means this is also 120. So all these three is the same number. I can put 1 unit inside. And all this is 1,920. So the extra, which is these two, I can take 120 times 2 equals to 240. So I can remove them, which will left with 3 units. So I minus. It will give me 1,680. So I can find 1 unit, which is 1,680 divided by 3, which is 560. They want S. Sherry will have 560 is 1 unit plus 120 will be $680. Okay, next question. Auntie Linda had 160 grams of sugar. She divided the sugar into 4 portions. She used 1 portion to make 5 cups of tea. And then she used an equal amount of sugar for each cup of tea. So you are finding the amount of sugar for each cup. So I can just draw her sugar is 160 grams. And then she divided into 4 portions. So 4 units is actually 160. 1 unit is 160 divided by 4 equals to 40 grams, which she used 1 portion, 40 grams for 5 cups. So 5 cups of tea is 40 grams. 1 cup will be 40 divided by 5 equals to 8 grams. Okay, next question. Pattern. Okay, if you can see my pattern, my gray is +2, +3, +4. And then my number of triangle is actually 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. And my white triangle is +2, +3. This is +1. Okay, so how many gray, okay, I'll move downwards a bit. How many gray triangles are there in figure 6? Okay, let's do the figure 5 first. So this is +3, the next one will be +4, will be 10, and this one will be +5, will be 15, and this one will be 5 times 5, 25. If you can see here, my figure number 3 is actually the same figure number as my gray triangles before. So this is 6 and 6, and this is 10 and 10. So for figure 6b, it's actually gray triangle. I can find my white first. My white is actually equals to 15 of the gray, and it's figure 6, so total is 6 times 6 equals 36. So 36 minus 15, I will get 21. Okay, next question. Next part is part C. Okay, part C is you have 64 triangles all together. So it's actually what times what equals to 64 is 8. So means it's actually figure number 8. Okay, let's move down further. So since I already know my figure 6, shall we move on to find 7? Okay, figure 7 for my white. Okay, let's 6 first. Figure 7 for my white will be 21. This is white. Gray will be 28. And figure 8, sorry, will be, for white will be 28 because it's the previous gray one. And then for my gray will be 28 plus 8, which will give you 36. So I want to find white triangle is 28. So let's move down. It's 21 and 28. Let me write it clearly again. Okay, that's the end of the paper. I hope my solution helps you in solving the question. I'll see you around again. Thank you.